Hello, my name is Dave Rowland, President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. I'm here with another quick video to share important business-related information with Oklahoma manufacturing during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Today, I want to concentrate on help available for workers who have recently lost their jobs because of the pandemic. A very important resource will be happening this Friday, April 17th from 10 to 11 a.m. called Resume Bootcamp. This virtual workshop will be led by OMA's Sharon and feature several speakers offering great tips on how to make your resume the best it can be. Also, the following week of April 20th, we will be offering another virtual workshop named Job Searching Tips for Oklahoma. Now, if you would like to participate in either event, please email Sharon Harrison. You'll see her email here on the screen, and she will email you back the log-on webinar information. And unfortunately, if you have recently lost your job, we encourage you to take advantage of OMA's Workforce Connection program. This is where we help connect displaced workers and manufacturers looking for employees. So please visit our website under Workforce Connection for more information. As always, our number one focus is on helping manufacturers succeed. We hope this information is helpful, and we're here to answer any of your questions and help you find the resources you need for your company. So thanks again for your time and for everything you're doing for Oklahoma and our manufacturing industry. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.